Question number 10. Joe and Anne buy some fruit from the same shop. Joe buys 4 apples and 3 bananas for £2.50. Anna buys 3 apples and 4 bananas for £2.40. Work out the cost of 1 apple and 1 banana. Well, this is a simultaneous equations question. So we can set up equation 1, that 4 apples plus 3 bananas equals £2.50. We can set up a second equation, that 3 apples and 4 bananas equals £2.40, and then we need to eliminate one term by getting the coefficient of either A or B the same in both those equations. Let's make the coefficient of B the same, so we can eliminate that first. So I do equation 1 times by 4, so I want to get 3b and 4b into the same amount. We end up with 16a plus 12b equals £10. And I can multiply equation 2 by 3, which gives me 9a plus 12b equals £7.20. I'm happy now because the coefficients of b are the same, they're both 12, and I can subtract now this whole equation from the one above. 16a minus 9a is 7a, 12b minus 12b is no b's, and £10 minus £7.20 is £2.80. If 7a equals £2.80, then we can divide both sides by 7 to find out 1a equals 40p. I've then got to work out what 1 banana equals. So we can go back and pick either of the starting equations. Let's pick equation 1. Equation 1 was 4a plus 3b equals £2.50. I now know, though, that a equals 40p. So it's 4 lots of 40 pence plus 3b equals £2.50. And then I can solve this equation. 4 lots of 40 pence is £1.60 plus 3b equals £2.50. I can take £1.60 from both sides. To leave us with 3b equals 90 pence. Therefore divide by 3 to get 1b equals 30 pence. We can always check our answer to this. We plug 40 and 30 back into any of these equations, they should always give us the right answer there. Question number 11. Gail invests into an account that pays compound interest of 5% per annum. How many years does it take to double the money in her investment? Well, compound interest, we're going to be multiplying by 1.05 to the power of how many years? 1.05 is the same as 105 cents to the power of how many years? We want to work out when it's going to double. Well, to double, we times by 2. So I want to work out when timesing by 1.05 to the power of how many years is the same as timesing by 2. So we can do a bit of trial and error here. 1.05 to the power of 2 equals, put it in your calculator, 1.1025. Not big enough. Let's try 1.05 to the power of 5. Let's try 5 years down the line. It's 1.276. Change it 4 decimal places each time. Still not big enough. Let's jump up to 10. 1.05 to the power of 10. Getting closer now. 1.6289. Let's try to the power of 15. 1.05 to the power of 15 equals, oh okay, we've got 2.0789. 89. I need to just check now whether the year before It went over times in by 2. So let's try 1.05 to the power of 14. No, that was 19799. So therefore, our investment doubles after 15 years. 2 marks, one for trying out different combinations and one for getting to the right combination. Question number 12. It's a probability question. The 4 mince biscuits and 1 toffee biscuit in a tin. There's 5 mint sweets and 3 strawberry sweets in a packet. Michael's mum lets him take 1 from each. Takes a biscuit at random and then takes a sweet at random. What's the probability that either, that's important, the biscuit is mint or the sweet is mint, but not both? Well, probability question, best thing is to set up a probability tree. So we're going to have, first of all, our selection from the tin. We can either take a mint biscuit or we can take a toffee biscuit. Then we're right on the probabilities of those. So it's 4 out of 5 and 1 out of 5. For our second pick, it's out of the packet, and we can either take a mint sweet or a strawberry sweet. Same again, we take a mint sweet or a strawberry sweet. And let's do those probabilities. Well, it says 5 mint and 3 strawberry. It's 5 out of 8 and 3 out of 8. Same probabilities down here. 5 out of 8 and 3 out of 8. I'm then going to think that either the biscuit is mint or the sweet is mint, but not both. So what roots could that be? Well, it could be mint and then strawberry, or it could be toffee and then mint. If we think the words and in probability, we're going to times. So mint and then strawberry is mint, which is 4 out of 5, and we're going to times strawberry 3 out of 8 to get 12 out of 40. We're going to do the same for our toffee and mint run. So toffee is 1/5 and a mint 5/8 to give us 5 out of 40. If I think about the word or in probability, I'm going to add. So we could have gone this route, or we could have gone that route. So I'm going to add those two values together. 12 40ths plus 5 40ths equals 17 40ths. And that is our final